Hi students, we are going to start a new chapter called Sequences and Series. Sequences and Series. And this video I'll explain you exercise 9.1. Okay? See, what did they give? Write the first term of the series, because this is nothing but the extension of your arithmetic progression that you did in your 10th grade. Okay? Like that it will go on. Let us see. You are given nth term and you are asked to find out the first 5 terms of each of the series. An is n into n plus 2. You are asked to find out a1, a2, a3, a4, a5. Okay? Right. a1 will be 1 into 1 plus 2, 1 into 3, 3. a2 will be 2 into 4, 8. a3 will be 3 into 5, 15. a4 will be 4 into 6, 24. A5 will be 5 into 7, 35. That's it. That's it. Second one, An is equal to n by n plus 1. So let us find out all the 5. A1 is just substitute 1. 1 by 1 plus 1, 1 by 2. A2 is 2 by 2 plus 1, 2 by 3. A3 is 3 by 3 plus 1, 3 by 4. A4 is 4 by 4 plus 1, it is 4 by 5. A5 is 5 by 5 plus 1, 5 by 6. Okay? Third one. An is equal to 2 power n. 2 power n. So A1 will be 2 power 1, 2. A2, 2 square, 4. A3, 2 cube, 8. A4, 2 power 4, 16. A5, 2 power 5, 32. So the fourth one, An is 2n minus 3 by 6. An is equal to 2n minus 3 by 6. Yeah. So what will be A1? A1 will be just 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 6. A2 is 4 minus 3, 1 by 6. A3 will be 6 minus 3, 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. A4 will be 8 minus 3, 5 by 6. A5 will be 10 minus 3, 7 by 6. Okay? So the fifth one, An is given minus 1 power n minus 1, 5 power n plus 1. So A1, minus 1 power 0, 1 into 5 power 2, 5 square, that is 25. A2, minus 1 power 1 minus into 5 power 3, that is minus 125. A3 minus 1 power 2 plus, it becomes plus 5 power 4, that is equal to 625. A4 minus 1 power 3 minus 5 power 5, that is 625 into 5, 3125. So A5 will be minus 1 power 4 plus 5 power 6, 3125 into 5, 1565, that is. So 6 1, An is equal to n into n square plus 5 by 4. So A1. So you can take this n into n square plus 5 by 4. 1 into 1 plus 5, 6 by 4, 2, 3 by 2. Let us check whether it is mixed fraction or improper fraction. Yeah, it is into, because it is given 3 by 2. Second one, A2, 2 into 2 square plus 5, 4 plus 5, 9 by 4, it becomes 9 by 2. A3, 3 into 3 square, 14 by 4, that is 42 by 2, 7, 21 by 2. A4 is 4 into 16 plus 5, 21 by 4, 4 gets cancelled, 21. A5 will be 5 into 25 plus 5, 30 by 4, 15 by 2, 75 by 2. Exactly, I think so. Perfect, it is right. See in the next question, 7th one, what did they give? They gave us an, 4n minus 3. They asked us to find out little terms. It is a17 and a24. Just replace the values. a17, 4 into 17 minus 3. 68 minus 3, 65. And a24. a24 is 4 into 24 minus 3. 72 minus 3, 69. That's it. And the 8th one. an is given n square by 2 power n. You are asked to find out a7. a7 is equal to 49 by 2 power 7. So 49 by 128. So the 9th one. an is equal to minus 1 power n minus 1 n cube. So you are asked to find out a9. a9 minus 1 power 8 9 cube. It is plus, it becomes 9 cube is 81, 729. 10th one, an is equal to n into n minus 2 by n plus 3. a10 will be equal to 10 into 10 minus 2, 8 by 10 plus 3, 13. 80 by 13. That's it. Okay? Oh, sorry, here it is 4 into 24 is 96. I'm sorry. 96 minus 3, 93. And here also, they have asked us to find out 20. So 20 into 8, 160 by 23. Very sorry. Sorry, 36. 20 into 18, it becomes 360. 360 by 23. Okay? See from 11th problem onwards, what did they say? Write the first 5 terms of each of the following series. Obtain the corresponding series. You're asked to write the first 5 terms. For 11th one, a1 is 3 given and an is given as 3 into an minus 1 plus 2 for n greater than 1. That means it will be a chain process. If I want a2, it will be 3 into a1 plus 2. 3 into 3 plus 2, 9 plus 2, it is 11. If I want a3, 3 into a2 plus 2. 3 into 11 plus 2, 33 plus 2, 35. If I want a4, 3 into a3 plus 2, 3 into 35 plus 2, 105 plus 2, 107. If I want a5, 3 into a4 plus 2, 3 into 107 plus 2, 321 plus 2, 323. Like that. 3, 11, 35, 7, 23. Good. Okay. Next problem. For the second one, 12th one, a1 is minus 1 and an is an minus 1 by n for n greater than or equal to 2. Okay. Let us see. What about a2? a2 will be a1 by 2. That is minus 1 by 2. a3 will be a2 by 3. a2 by 3 means minus 1 by 2 by 3. It becomes minus 1 by 6. a4 is a3 by 4. So minus 1 by 6 by 4, minus 1 by 24. a4 by 5, minus 1 by 24 by 5. It becomes minus 1 by 120. See the 13th problem. What did they give? They gave us a1 is equal to a2 equal to 2. Both are values 2. a1 equal to a2 equal to 2. And an is equal to an minus 1 for n greater than 2. You have to find out all the 5 terms. Already 2 are there here. So a3 will be a2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, that is 1. a4 will be a3 minus 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. a5 will be a4 minus 1, that is 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. Two, 2, 1, 0, minus 1. That's it. Right. Next for 14th question. They have given 1 equal to A1 equal to A2 and AN is equal to AN minus 1 plus AN minus 2 and find AN plus 1 by AN for n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first let us find out the other values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means we need till A6. Because it becomes A6 by A5, we have to find out till A6. Let us find out till A6. So A3 is equal to A2 plus A1. That is 1 plus 1, 2. A4 equal to A3 plus A2. So 2 plus 1, 3. And A5 is A4 plus A3. A4 plus A3. 3 plus 2, 5. And A6 will be A5 plus A4. A5 is 5 plus 3. That is 8. So let us substitute all the values. First one, when n is 1, we need A2 by A1. That is 1 by 1, 2. N equal to 2. A3 by A2. A3 by A2. 2 by 1. It is 2. Sorry, it is 1. No, I'm sorry. And n equal to 3. A4 by A3. A4 by A3. 3 by 2. N equal to 5. 4. Sorry. N equal to 4. A4. A5 by A4. So 5 by 3. N equal to 5. A6 by A5. A6 by A5. 8 by 5. That's the story. Okay. Let me check the answers once. One, 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 3, 8 by 5. Perfect. Good. All the best, guys. Hi, students. In this video, I am going to explain you exercise 9.2 of sequence and series. This exercise is regarding arithmetic progressions. Arithmetic progression. I'll give you the basic formulas for the arithmetic progression. If you have a value, first term, and d value, A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or anything like that, A4 minus A3, like this you can find out d value. And nth term can be taken as An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. This is the nth term, and nth term, if you take the last term also, you can denote the last term also with An, and sum to first n terms. Sum to first n terms also we denote with Sn. This is n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Also you can use n by 2 of first plus last term, that is nothing but n by 2 of a plus an. Okay, this is the thing. So let us start the exercise, and if any formula is required in between the form problems, I'll explain you that. Okay, let us start the problems. Exercise 9.2. First problem. Find the sum of odd integers between 1 to 2001. 1 to 2001, how many will be there? Don't tell sir it will be 1000 or it will be 1001 or it will be 999. We don't. We are not sure. So we go according to the process. So we have, what do we have? 1, 3, 5, like that till 2001. We don't know how many are there. We have A value with us. We have D value with us, 3 minus 1, 2. And we have last term, AN is 2001. With this formula, you can find out how many terms are there. Okay. Now AN is 2001. They have asked us only number of, so sum also. They have asked us to find out Sn. To find out Sn, we need N also. So AN is equal to 2001. A plus n minus 1 into d is 2001. A means 1 plus n minus 1 into 2, 2001. So n minus 1 into 2 is 2000. N minus 1 will be 1000. So n will be 1001 terms are there. So we have to add all the 1001 terms. So according to the formula, n by 2 of a plus an. Shall we use this because we have the first term and also the last term? What is n here? 1001 by 2. A plus an, 2001. So it becomes 1001 by 2 into 2002. If I cancel this, it becomes 1001 into 1001. 1, you can multiply. Let us multiply this. I think 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. This is the answer. Okay. Second one, find the sum of all natural numbers lying between 100. Between means these two should not be included, which are multiples of 5. So let us start with 105, 110 and so on till 995. We don't know how many are there. We should add these actually. You are asked to add them. So A, I take 105, D will be 110 minus 105, that is 5, and A and we equate with the last term 995. So A plus n minus 1 into D is 995. A is 105 plus n minus 1 into 5 equal to 995. When I subtract 105 from 995, I'll get n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 09890. So n minus 1 equal to 890 by 5. 5 7s 35, 176, n equal to 177. 39, 5 7s 35, 40. Okay, sorry. 39, 5 7s 35, 45 8. N is 179. So you are asked to find out S 179. So we take 179 by 2 into first plus last. So it becomes 179 by 2 into 1000 plus 1100. So it becomes 179 into 550. So let us multiply 5 is 45, 5 is 35, 39, 895, 895, 18. 98450. Let me check once. It's right. See the third problem. In an AP, the first term is given. First term is 2. A is 2. The sum of the first 5 terms is 1/4 of the next 5 terms. So that 20th term is minus 112. 20th term we have to find out A12. Sum of the first 5 terms is 1/4 of the next 5 terms. See, sum of first 5 terms is 1/4 of sum of next 5 terms. You might have learned this in your 10th grade, but still I tell you. Sum of first 5 terms is S5, no doubt. What about the next 5 terms? Next 5 terms is nothing but S10 minus S5. Suppose first 10 terms, from the first 10 terms, if you remove the first 5 terms, you'll get the next 5 terms. Okay, so this is the thing you can write. Now what I do, S5 is equal to 1/4 of S10 minus S5 by 4. Bring it here. So it becomes S5, if I take common 1 plus 1/4 is equal to 1/4 of S10. If I take LCM, 5/4 of S5, 1/4 of S10, you will cancel this. So it becomes 5 into S5 is equal to S10. Formula for S5, n by 2 of 2a. 2a means 2 into 2, 4, plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 10 by 2, n by 2, 2a, 2 into 4 plus 9d, n minus 1 into d. You can cancel 2, you can cancel 5 with this 2, and let us multiply inside. It becomes 20 plus 20d is equal to 8 plus 18d. Bring it here, 2d is equal to minus 12, d is minus 6. That means you got A value and you got D value. What did they ask us to show? 20th term. So A20 is nothing but A plus 19D. A is 2 plus 19 into minus 6. So 2 minus 114. So the answer is minus. This is what they asked us to prove. Okay. See, in the fourth question, they have given a series and you are asked to find out the number of terms n, and Sn is given here. How many terms? So n you have to find out. First of all, write down A is minus 6, D is minus 11 by 2 plus 6, 12 minus 11, 1 by 2, and Sn is equal to, let us apply the formula Sn, n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into D is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is minus 25. So let us take LCM here. N by 2 of 2 minus 24 plus n minus 1 equal to minus 25. So it becomes n into n minus 25 is equal to minus 100. We go 4 into minus 25. It becomes n square minus 25n plus 100 is equal to 0. Factors for this: n square minus 20n minus 5n plus 100 equals 0. N into n minus 20 minus 5 into n minus 20 equals 0. N minus 5 into n minus 20 equals 0. So n equal to 5 or 20. This is the answer that they gave here. Exactly. Right? Now see the fifth one. What did they say? In an AP, if pth term is AP is equal to 1 by Q and qth term AQ is 1 by P, prove that the sum of first PQ terms, you are asked to prove SPQ. SPQ is something. Let us see. Let us do something with these two. So AP means A plus P minus 1 into D is 1 by Q, and A plus Q minus 1 into D is 1 by. Whenever you are doing a problem in AP or a sequence in series 2, your aim should be to find out the values of A and D. So let us do this. Subtract this. I wrote one below the other. Subtraction so that I can get D as common. P minus 1 minus Q plus 1 is equal to 1 by Q minus 1 by P. You can cancel this. P minus Q into D. It becomes P minus Q by PQ. So P minus Q gets cancelled. D value is 1 by PQ. After getting D, take any of the equations and find out A also. Okay. So A plus P minus 1 into D, 1 by PQ is 1 by Q. Take that side. A is 1 by Q minus P minus 1 by PQ. So LCM is PQ. So it becomes P minus P plus 1. So A is also 1 by PQ. And you are asked to find out SPQ. We apply the formula n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So n is PQ here, PQ by 2. 2a, 2 into 1 by PQ plus PQ minus 1 into 1 by PQ again. So it becomes PQ by 2. LCM is PQ. 2 plus PQ minus 1. PQ gets cancelled. It becomes PQ plus 1 by 2. That's what there was. Yes, 1 by 2 of PQ plus 1. Okay? See the sixth problem. If the sum of such a number of terms of AP 25, 22 and 19 so on, Sn is equal to 116. What did they say? Find the last term. You are asked to find out the last term. So first let us find out A and D. A is equal to 25. D is equal to 22 minus 25, that is minus 3. So we need the last term. To get the last term, we need n also. So let us apply the formula of Sn first. N by 2 of 2a. 2a means 50. Plus n minus 1 of D. D is minus 3. Is equal to 116. So if I take cross multiplication, it becomes 232. So n into 50 minus 3n plus 3. So it becomes n into 53 minus 3n is the 232. So it becomes 3n square minus 53n plus 232 is equal to 0. Let us factorize this. Let us see 3 into 232. 3 into 232, 2 into 116, 2 into 58 and 2 into 29. So we need 53. So 24, 29, correct. So 3n square minus 24n minus 29n plus 232 is equal to 0. 3n if I take common n minus 8 minus 29 if I take common n minus 8. Yes, correct. So n is equal to 8 or 29 by 3. Fraction cannot be taken for n values, so we take n is equal to 8. After getting that, what we are supposed to do? Last term. That means there are 8 terms. There are 8 terms, so we have to find out A8. A8 is A plus 70. That means 25 plus 7 into minus 3. 25 minus 21, that is 4. Okay? Okay, all of you look at the 7th problem. What did they give? Find the sum to n terms of an AP. Kth term is given. See, AK is given 5k plus 1 and you are asked to find out Sn. Okay, let us see. We need A and D. No? A means first term, D is A2 minus A1. So, first put k equal to 1. What do you get? A1, that is nothing but A. 5 plus 1, 6. Also find A2, put k equal to 2. Put k equal to 2. A2 is 10 plus 1, that is 11. After getting that, find out D. A2 minus A1, that is 11 minus 6, that is 5. Okay. You've got A value and D value. And Sn you have to find out. Sn is n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n by 2 of 2a, 12 plus n minus 1 into 5. It becomes n by 2 of 12 plus 5n minus 5. It becomes n by 2 of 5n plus 7. Let us see. Yes, it is right. Now see the 8th problem. What did they give? Sum of n terms of an AP, Sn. Sn is given Pn plus Qn square. Pn plus Qn square. Find the common difference. We need D. He need D. See, to find out this, there is a process to find out. First of all, if you take n equal to 1, you will get S1 and also A1. Both are same. So it becomes P into 1 plus Q into 1, that equal to P plus Q. And if you take n equal to 2, you get only S2, that is sum of first 2 terms. And S2 will be equal to P into 2 plus Q into 4. So 2P plus 4Q. But we have a formula to find out An, Sn minus 1. So A2 will be equal to S2 minus S1. 2P plus 4Q minus of P plus Q. It becomes P plus 3Q. This is the basic formula which was there in your 10th grade also. Okay. So A2 is P plus 3Q. And we need D. D is nothing but A2 minus A1. P plus 3Q minus of P plus Q. P gets cancelled, become 2Q. Is it given here? Exactly. Now look at the 9th question. See the 9th question. The sum of n terms of two arithmetic series are in the ratio. That means Sn by S dash n is given like 5n plus 4 by 5n plus 4 by 9n plus 6. 9n plus 6. Find the ratio of their 18th terms. A18 by A dash 18 they need. Okay. So to find out this, what I do? I just apply the formulas. Look here carefully. Sn will be n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d by n by 2 of 2a plus 2a dash plus n minus 1 into d dash is equal to 5n plus 4 by 9n plus 6. You can cancel these two. You can cancel. Now I compare this with this. It is a plus 17d by a dash plus 17d dash. See, when I compare left hand side with this, when both are equal, the right side one is the answer. The right side one will be the answer. But to compare the left hand side with this, here it is 2a and here it is only a. So what we do? We multiply and divide with 2. Multiply and divide with 2. So it becomes 2a plus 34d 2a dash plus 34d dash. Now you can compare these two. When you compare 2a, 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 d dash. Now what to do? You equate this value of coefficient of d with coefficient of d there. So n minus 1 is 34, n equal to 35. When you are comparing this with this, the answer will be this with this value of n. So what will be your answer? 5 into 35 plus 4. 5 into n plus 1 is 35 no? By 9 into 35 plus, I think it is 6. 6. So 535s. 175 plus 4. 935s. Plus 6. It becomes 179 by 321. This is that. Okay? See the 10th question. If sum of first p terms is equal to sum of first q terms, prove that sum of first p plus q terms is 0. We prove that. So first of all, given sp is equal to sq. So let us say p by 2 of 2a plus p minus 1 into d is equal to q by 2 of 2a plus q minus 1 into d. Cancel 2, 2. It becomes 2ap plus p into p minus 1 into d. 2aq plus q into q minus 1 into. Bring all these terms here. So it becomes 2ap minus 2aq plus, if I take d common, p square minus p minus q square plus q is equal to 0. So it becomes 2a into p minus q plus d of. So let us write like p square minus q square minus of p minus q. This. So from each and every term you can take p minus q common, so that it becomes 2a plus d into p minus q went out, it becomes p plus q here minus 1 is equal to 0. If I take p minus q equal to 0, it becomes p is equal to q, which is not true because p and q are different, they told. So what should happen? 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d, this should be equal to 0, put it as a box. Now, according to the formula of Sn, what should be this? N by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is your n here? P plus q. P plus q by 2, 2a plus p plus q minus 1 of d. But we proved that this value is 0 here, 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d. So 0 into anything, the whole thing becomes 0. See the next question. 11th question, what did they say? Sum of first p, q, r terms are ABC. Okay. SP is equal to A, SQ is equal to B, and SR equal to C. And you are asked to prove something A by P into Q minus R. A by P into Q minus R plus B by Q. B by Q into R minus P plus C by R into P minus Q. That should be equal to 0. Okay, let us see. SP is equal to A. SP means P by 2 into 2A plus P minus 1 into D is equal to A. From this, A by P will be equal to, we need A by P. So it becomes A plus P minus 1 into D by 2. In the same way, SQ, this is the first one. SP is equal to A. Now SQ is equal to B. Q by 2 of 2A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to B. So B by Q becomes A plus Q minus 1 into D by 2. In the same way, SR equal to C. R by 2 of 2A plus R minus 1 into D is equal to C. So C by R becomes A plus R minus 1 into D by 2. Now let us substitute the value of A by P, B by Q and C by R here. Okay. It takes little lengthy. So I take A by P. A by P is this one. A plus P minus 1 by 2 into D into Q minus R. Plus B by Q. B by Q means A plus Q minus 1 into D by 2 into R minus P. Plus C by R is a plus r minus 1 into d by 2 into p minus q. If you see carefully, I take a common first. When I take a common from the first terms, you will have q minus r plus r minus p plus p minus q. Now from the second terms, if I take d by 2 common, I will have p minus 1 into q minus r, q minus 1 into r minus p plus r minus 1 into p minus q. I will get like this. Now here everything will get cancelled, it becomes 0 plus d by 2 of, let us multiply each and everything. What you get? See carefully, pq minus pr minus q plus r. qr minus pq minus r plus p. pr minus qr minus p plus q. Let us see anything gets cancelled. pr minus pr, pq minus pq, qr minus qr, p minus p, q minus q, r minus r. Everything gets cancelled. The whole answer becomes 0. See the 12th question. The ratio of sum of m terms and n terms is m square by n square. Ratio there are mth and nth terms. We have to prove it. So Sm by Sn is given as m square by n square. You have to find Am by An. Okay, let us see. Sm is m by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d by n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d is m square by n square. You can cancel 2. 1m with this 1m, 1n with this n. Now cross multiply 2an plus m minus 1 into nd is equal to 2am plus n minus 1 into md. Bring all these terms here. 2a if I take common, n minus n. If I take d common, it becomes mn minus n minus mn plus n is equal to 0. So 2a into n minus m, mn gets cancelled, minus d. If I take minus common here, it becomes n minus m. So n minus m into 2a minus d 0. N minus m cannot be equal to 0 because if it is n equal to m, it is not true. Because n equal to m, everything is over here. So we don't take that. So 2a minus d 0, d is equal to 2a. We use this. Okay, now what is Am formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. This is a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d is 2a because we got here. And denominator a plus n minus 1 into d is 2a. Take a common in the numerator, 1 plus 2m minus 2. A common in the denominator, 1 plus 2n minus 2. A gets cancelled. It becomes 2m minus 1 by 2n minus 1. Okay. See in the 13th question, sum of n terms. Sn is given as 3n square plus 5n. And nth term is given as 164. See, when you have this, you can find out a and d from here only directly. Take n equal to 1, s1, and it is also equal to a1. 3 plus 5 is 8. So if you take n equal to 2, you will get s2. 3 into 4 plus 5 into 2. 12 plus 10, 22. And a2 will be equal to s2 minus s1. According to the formula of an equal to Sn minus, see, an equal to Sn minus 1 from this formula. So 22 minus 8, it is 14. After getting a2, you get d, a2 minus a1, 14 minus 8, that is 6. That means you have a value and d value with you. Now let us find out, use this formula. A plus m minus 1 into d is 164, a is 8 plus m minus 1 into 6, 164. M minus 1 into 6 equal to 164 minus 8. M minus 1 into 6 is 156. M minus 1 is 156 by 6. 26. M equal to 27. Okay. See the 14th question. They have told insert 5 numbers between 8 and 26. See, between 8 and 26, they ask us to insert 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers, they are in AP. The resulting sequence is in AP. That means the whole thing is in AP. That means what are available? A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A1 and A7 are available. That means A is equal to 8, A7 is 26. That means A plus 60 is 26. 8 plus 60 is 26. 60 is 18. D is 3. And here asked to find out the rest. Very simple. So A2 will be A plus 1D, 8 plus D, 11. A3 will be 11 plus 3, it is 14. A4 will be 14 plus 3, it is 17. A5 will be 17 plus 3, it is 20. And A6 will be 20 plus 3, it is 23. Understand? Right. See the 15th question. What did they say? A power n plus b power n by a power n minus 1 plus b power n minus 1 is am of between 2 a and b. am is nothing but a plus b by 2. And we are asked to find out value of n. Let us see. Let us simplify, just cross multiply. So it becomes 2 into a power n plus 2 into b power n. When you multiply this, it becomes a power n, a into this. So a into b power n minus 1. Next, b into a power n minus 1 plus b power n. Bring these two to the left side. Then it becomes a power n plus b power n. 2a power n minus a power n. 2b power n minus b power n is equal to, in these two I write like a into b power n by b, b into a power n by a. Okay. Now let us bring a power n to one side. So a power n minus b into a power n by a, and b power n into a by b minus b power n. If I take a power n common, 1 minus b by a. If I take b power n common, a by b minus 1. So a power n into LCM, if I take a minus b by a, b power n become a minus b by b. So a minus b gets cancelled in both. A power n minus 1 is equal to b power n minus 1. Now you can write like a power n minus 1 by b power n minus 1 is 1. So a by b power n minus 1 is 1. The value becomes, some power index will become 1 only if the power is 0. So it happens if n minus 1 is 0. So n is equal to 1. Okay. See the 16th question. Between 1 and 31, there are some m numbers inserted. M numbers. A1, A2, so on like that. There are some m numbers. M, A, M are inserted. Not M1, A1, T1, T2 like that. Some T, M are inserted. Okay. What did they say? The resulting sequence is even. The ratio of 7th term and to the mth term, that means T7 by Tm. T7 by Tm minus 1 will be equal to 5 by 9. These are T. See, when you take T7 here, but here already one term is there, no? It becomes A8. Agree? Because this is the second term. T1 is A2. T2 is A3. And this will be A M plus 1. And this will be A M plus 2. A M plus 2. And this will be A1. Because A1, M terms M plus 1. And this is A M plus 2. Okay. First let us equate. We equate A M plus 2 with 31. So A plus M plus 1 into D is 31. A is 1. 1 plus MD plus D is 31. MD plus D is 30. So MD is, you can write it as 30 minus D. We use it later here. Now when they give 7th term by M minus 1 term, it will be 8th term from starting, and M minus 1 means nth term. AM from the starting. 5 by 9. What is A8? 8 plus 70, and this will be A plus M minus 1 into D is 5 by 9. So A means 1 plus 70, 1 plus M minus 1 into D is 5 by 9. Cross multiply, it becomes 9 plus 63D, 5 plus 5MD minus 5D. So let us replace MD value here. MD value. So 9 plus 63D. 5 plus 5 into MD means 30 minus D minus 5D. So it becomes 9 plus 63D. 5 plus 155 minus 5D minus 5D. 160 minus 9. Just a minute, somewhere it went wrong, sorry. Yeah, it is 150, I wrote 155. So 155 minus 9, it is 73, D is 146, D is 2. After getting D, we take MD is equal to 30 minus D. So 2M is 28, M value is 14. Okay? See the next question, 17th question. A man starts repaying a loan of first installment rupees 100. 17th question, rupees 100. If he increases the installment rupees 5 every month, what amount he will pay in 30th installment? That means A is 100, D is 5. What is A 30? Very simple. It is nothing but A plus 29D. So 100 plus 29 into 5. 100 plus finance 45. 145. It is 245. That's it. So next question. It is of a polygon. Something like they have given. The difference between any two consecutive interior angles of a polygon. Difference is given here. D is 5. Smallest angle. A is 120 degrees. Number of sides of a polygon. N equal to how much? Here there is something missing which they don't give, but you have to know that. Say the sum of interior angles of a polygon of n sides. The formula is n minus 2 into pi. If it is a triangle, it will be 3 minus 2 into pi, 1 pi, that is 180. If it is a quadrilateral, 4 minus 2 into pi, 2 pi, 360, like that. Here we don't know, we have to find out what is n. Sn is equal to n minus 2 into pi. Pi means 180 degrees. 180. So Sn formula is n by 2 of 240 plus n minus 1, D is 5 is equal to n minus 2 into 180. N minus 2 into 180. Okay. Now let us take 2 here. So n into 240 plus 5n minus 5 is equal to 360n minus 720. When you take 2 that side, so it becomes 245, 235n plus 5n square is equal to 360n minus 720. So 5n square minus, when you bring 360n here, 360, 235. 125 n plus 720 is equal to 0. Divide with 5. N square minus 25 n plus 5 1s square 144. The factors are n square minus 16n minus 9n plus 144 equal to 0. So n minus 16 into n minus n 9 equals 0. Therefore n equal to 16 or 9. What did they give? So they don't give 16 because I don't think for the polygons of 16 it becomes impossible. There is no reason for that, but we can write n equal to 16 or 9. Okay? Right, guys. All the best.